Have you ever imagined a bridge so high that its pillars literally disappear inside the clouds? Or a bridge so long that even after driving for an hour straight, you still haven't reached the end? Well, welcome to China, the only place on Earth where engineering, ambition, and pure madness come together to create structures that look like they belong in a sci-fi movie. Today, we are not talking about normal bridges. We are talking about megastructures. Bridges that slice through mountains, float above canyons, and rewrite every engineering rule we ever knew. In this 10-minute video, get ready to discover the 8 most unbelievable mega bridges China has ever built. Structures so extreme that they don't just connect cities, they connect the limits of human imagination. Number 8. Duoj Grand Bridge. We begin with a monster, the Duoj Grand Bridge, standing 565 meters above the Beipan River. That's the height of a 200-story building. You could literally place the Eiffel Tower twice underneath it and still have room left. The terrain was so impossible that normal construction methods simply failed. So what did engineers do? They used rockets, yes, real rockets, to shoot the first guiding cables across the canyon. This steel beast can endure winds of 250 kilometers per hour, earthquakes, and even the weight of 300 fully loaded buses at once. It doesn't just connect Guizhou and Yan'an, it connects a region that was isolated for centuries. The Duoj Grand Bridge isn't just engineering, it's a declaration that no mountain, no canyon, no natural barrier is strong enough to stop human progress. Number 7. Pingtang Bridge. If height impresses you, this one will blow your mind. The Pingtang Bridge has the tallest bridge tower on the planet, rising 332 meters into the sky. That's taller than the Eiffel Tower, just 6 meters shorter than the Empire State Building. During construction, engineers use self-climbing telescopic cranes. Imagine machines that grow upward as they build the structure beneath them. It almost feels like the bridge was building itself. With a construction price of 1 billion yuan, this mega structure cuts travel time from 5 hours to just 1 hour. Its massive cable stay system forms a perfectly symmetrical fan pattern, one of the most elegant engineering designs ever achieved. The Pingtang Bridge isn't just tall, it's poetry made of steel. Number 6. Hongyagu Glass Bridge. Now, from engineering elegance, we enter pure psychological horror. The Hongyagu Glass Bridge hangs 218 meters above a terrifying abyss, and yes, the entire flooring is transparent glass. Every step feels like you're walking on air. Every glance downward reminds you exactly how far the ground is. 488 meters long, it's the longest glass bridge in the world. The glass panels can hold 800 kilograms per square meter, yet your brain refuses to trust it, and here's where the real fun begins. Some glass panels are programmed to simulate cracking when someone steps on them. It's safe, but your heart doesn't know that. This is engineering mixed with psychological thrill, where beauty and terror walk hand in hand. Number 5. Hongqiao Interchange. Now let's go from heights to complexity. The Hongqiao Interchange is the most complicated highway interchange on Earth. Think of 5 vertical levels, 20 intertwined ramps, 8 directions connected at one single point. It looks like a giant steel maze, yet 100,000 vehicles move through it daily, with almost no traffic jams. Engineers spent 2 years designing a computer model before building even the first ramp. Every curve, every lane, every elevation was calculated with surgical precision. It's a masterpiece where extreme complexity creates perfect order. Number 4. Guoliang Tunnel Road. Next, we travel to something that didn't require billion-dollar machines, just raw human determination. The Guoliang Tunnel wasn't built by engineers. It was carved by 13 villagers using nothing but hammers and chisels. For 5 years, they hammered their way through a vertical mountain wall. No modern machinery, no funding, no training, just pure willpower. The result? A breathtaking 1,200-meter tunnel road carved straight into the cliff, windows in the rock face. Offer stunning, but terrifying views of the hundreds-meter drop below. The road is barely 4 meters wide, filled with dangerous turns, yet it's now a global tourist phenomenon. This is engineering powered not by technology, but by human courage. Number 3. Kaohsiamen Bridge. Now we enter the top 3, and the level of engineering is about to explode. The Kaohsiamen Bridge holds the record for the longest steel arch bridge in the world, a jaw-dropping 552-meter arch that supports itself purely through geometry. The arch weighs 46,000 tons, yet carries 8 lanes of traffic on top and a light rail line underneath every day. Around 120,000 vehicles cross it. The bridge spans across the mighty Yangtze River without interrupting massive cruise ship traffic. At night, thousands of LED lights transform it into glowing steel art floating above the city. This is where engineering becomes sculpture. Number 2. Huizhou Bridge. Now things get insane. The Huizhou Bridge rises 625 meters above the canyon floor. That makes it the highest road bridge in the world. Let this sink in. You could drop the entire CN Tower into the canyon, and it wouldn't reach the bottom. With an investment of 1.5 billion yuan, this 1.8-kilometer-long giant cuts travel time from 4 hours to just 40 minutes. Its cables can hold the weight of 500 African elephants walking together. Every millimeter of this structure was calculated to survive earthquakes, storms, and crushing gravitational forces. This is Chinese engineering at its absolute peak. Number 1. Danyang Kunshan Grand Bridge. Finally, the king of all bridges. The Danyang Kunshan Grand Bridge is the longest bridge ever built in human history. Its length? 164.8 kilometers. Yes, you heard that right. That's the distance from Los Angeles to San Diego, or Madrid to Valencia, all on a single bridge. It crosses lakes, rivers, fields, entire towns, and earthquake-prone regions, without stopping even once. More than 10,000 workers built it in just 4 years, operating non-stop around the clock. It supports high-speed trains running 350 kilometers per hour, carrying millions of passengers each year. Using 450,000 tons of steel, it's like laying 55 Eiffel Towers horizontally across China. This bridge is more than a structure. It's a symbol, proving humanity now builds on a scale once thought impossible. From glass pathways suspended above nothing, to bridges so long they look endless on the horizon, China has pushed structural engineering into a completely new era. These 8 megabridges don't just connect places, they connect ideas, they connect ambition, and they connect the future. Which bridge shocked you the most? Tell me in the comments. Hit the like button if these structures blew your mind. And make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next mind-bending episode. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.